Cleanse liver detox in 3 days. Are you feeling sluggish and tired? It could be time for a liver detox. Today we'll share with you 3 amazing home remedy to detox your liver in just 3 days. But there is a common question which comes in the mind of all of us, that why do we need to detox the liver? Let us first know the answer in a few words. Why we need to liver detox? The liver is like the body's cleanup crew, always working to keep us healthy. It has special jobs, like breaking down the food we eat into useful parts and getting rid of things we don't need. Imagine it has 2 teams. Team 1 breaks down the bad stuff into simpler forms, and Team 2 combines them with other things to make them easy to throw out. The liver also stores important things, like vitamins, and helps us when we need extra energy. It even makes a special liquid called bile that helps us digest fats. But even though our liver is a superhero, sometimes, with things like junk food or too much alcohol, it can get a bit overloaded. That's why it's important to eat healthy, exercise, and drink enough water, so our liver stays happy and keeps doing its superhero job. So, let's go to the main topic, how to detox liver in 3 days. Hey health enthusiasts, welcome again. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the world of liver detoxification through a specially crafted beet juice recipe. We'll delve into the details of each ingredient, its purported benefits, and the scientific perspectives surrounding liver detox. So, grab a seat and join us in this insightful exploration. Our focus lies on a 3-day liver detox, and the star of the show is the beet juice recipe. Before we jump into the specifics, let's understand the importance of liver health and the claims associated with beet juice detox. Understanding the liver and detoxification. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body, filtering out toxins and waste. Detoxification is a natural process that our bodies constantly undergo. However, can certain foods, like beet juice, enhance this process? Many claim that beet juice is an excellent choice for liver detox, attributing its efficacy to nitrates and antioxidants. But as we dive deeper, it's essential to separate fact from fiction. Beet juice recipe, the key ingredients. Now, let's break down the beet juice recipe designed for this liver detox. The ingredients include 2 beets, 2 carrots, 1 apple, 1 celery stalk, half a lemon, roughly peeled, and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Before we proceed, cleanliness is paramount. Ensure that all the ingredients are thoroughly cleaned to maintain the purity of your detox elixir. The preparation process. Once your ingredients are pristine, it's time to dive into the preparation process. Begin by chopping the 2 beets, 2 carrots, 1 apple, 1 celery stalk, and roughly peeling half a lemon. Don't forget the thumb-sized piece of ginger. Let's explain why we are using these foods. 1. Beets. Beets contain betaine, a compound that may help prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver. Additionally, beets are a good source of antioxidants, including betalains, which may support liver function by reducing oxidative stress. 2. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining liver health. Vitamin A plays a role in the regulation of liver function and the production of bile, which aids in digestion and the elimination of toxins. 3. Apples. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help remove toxins from the digestive tract and liver. The antioxidants in apples, such as flavonoids, may also contribute to liver protection. 4. Celery stalk. Celery is a low-calorie vegetable that is a good source of antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds may help reduce inflammation and support overall liver health. 5. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals in the body. Additionally, lemons may stimulate the production of liver enzymes, which play a role in the detoxification process. 6. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and contains antioxidants that may help protect the liver. It may also stimulate the production of enzymes that support detoxification. Now, you have 2 options for extracting the juice: a juicer or a blender. If you have a juicer, juice all the ingredients for a smoother consistency. However, if a blender is your weapon of choice, be prepared for a thicker juice. The choice is yours. After extracting the juice, give it a good stir. If the taste is too intense for your liking, feel free to sweeten it with a bit of honey. The goal is to make this detox journey both beneficial and enjoyable. Gradual introduction to beet juice. Now, If you're new to beet juice, here's a pro tip. Start with a small amount and gradually increase. This allows your body to acclimate to the rich nutrients without overwhelming your taste buds or digestive system. The science behind beet juice and liver health. Let's now address the scientific perspectives surrounding beet juice and its impact on liver health. While enthusiasts claim its detoxifying effects, it's crucial to note that there isn't strong scientific evidence supporting these claims. The potential benefits of beet juice for the liver are often attributed to its high content of nitrates and antioxidants. Nitrates are believed to promote blood flow, while antioxidants combat oxidative stress. However, more research is needed to solidify these claims. Regardless of the detox debate, beet juice is undeniably a healthy addition to your diet. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, it contributes to overall well-being, even if its liver detoxifying effects are not conclusively proven. As we conclude our journey into the realms of liver detox with beet juice, it's essential to approach such practices with a balanced perspective. While beet juice offers a plethora of nutritional benefits, the exaggerated claims of rapid detoxification should be met with caution. Incorporate beet juice into your routine for its nutritional value, but remember, the key to a healthy liver extends beyond quick fixes. A well-rounded diet, regular exercise, and a holistic approach to health are the pillars of sustained well-being. Thank you for joining us on this informative exploration of liver detox with beet juice. Stay tuned for more health insights, and until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.